I'm so hungry.
Me too, Rebecca. I can eat like a horse.
I could eat like an elephant.
I can eat like a tree. Oh, wait.
Do plants even eat? To answer your question, girls, plants make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. It's pronounced photosynthesis. Photo means light, whereas synthesis means to build up.
So, what are the requirements for photosynthesis? Well, that's a good question. The plant needs light, carbon dioxide from the air, and also water from the soil to make their own food.
This process actually takes place in the leaves of plants. Leaves have tiny openings called stomata. The function of stomata is to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, which is then used for photosynthesis.
Wow, I didn't know plants were so complex.
Well, there's more. Leaves have a tiny structure which is called as chloroplast. The chloroplast contains a green pigment which is called as chlorophyll that causes the leaf to be green.
Wow, I never knew that.
The chlorophyll absorbs the energy from the sunlight and transfer it through plants during photosynthesis. So, carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll will produce oxygen, water and glucose.
But what will happen to the oxygen and glucose?
Well, that's a good question. The oxygen will be released back to the atmosphere through tiny little opening called stomata. As for the glucose, it is used for the growth of the plant. The extra glucose will be stored by the plant in the form of starch for the use. Now I see. Thanks, Tris.
You're welcome.
Now,
Let's go eat.